In this tutorial, we're going to talk about outputting something to the screen. If I just wrote a program but nobody could actually see anything or interact with it in any way, it would be a pretty boring program. We'll just have to work behind the scenes. But we need people to enter information and we need to be able to read information back on the screen. In this program over here, it's a very simple program. I've created 3 variables. Each variable has a value and a name. I'm going to output some of this information onto the screen so somebody could read it. I use the print function, and I could put the person's name in between the 2 brackets. I could put a comma, and I could put the person's pet. If you just want to print one variable, you don't need a comma. 2 variables. Let's see what happens. Run module. Save the program, and I now get the 2 values, James, Snake, come up on the screen because we're printing the values that are contained in this variable name. So think of a variable like a container that holds some information or data. When we go print and we put the variable name, it actually prints the value of the variable. So I've got James, Snake written on the screen. It's not very good. What I could do is put some strings in here to make it even better. Hello, comma, then I'm going to put the person's name, comma, you have a pet. I'm going to separate this variable from the string with a comma, and we know that I've got a variable name there where the value is going to be printed. So now I go run module, and I've now got hello James, you have a pet snake written on the screen. So I'm printing strings and variables onto the program. This is a very important skill to learn. You separate your strings and variable names by a comma.